I'm Ann. I'm from Wisconsin. This is my bus, Gus. Our YouTube channel is Tucker's Travels, and we're starting that out now. The solar out here I have is 180 watt panels. There's 3 of them. They're bolted through the seam on top, and then they have locks on both sides and the bottom, so I got 540 watts of solar. I have a Champion generator on the back, and there's a couple of bikes back there. I have a toolbox back there. Gas cans, my LP tanks are back there. And then on the other side I have another one of the boxes underneath on the far side, right by the driver's door. Come on inside, we'll show you the inside of it.
It falls underneath my chair.
It is a Chevy 3500. It has the Duramax engine, the diesel with the turbo in it. I took all of the metal that was up here, took it all down. In here I made some shelves, so I have storage there, dog food up on top, 12-volt light, my favorite clock, Craftsman. Right here where you're standing and where these shelves are, this was just put in 2 days ago. I had a seat from my cousin's Montana van in here, and it just seemed to collect stuff, and I had no place for storage, so I built this, and then on the back side I put a bench in. The dog's bed is right there. My kitchen table is right here. This is for my clothes. I turned this up because it would collect stuff, and then to get my clothes I was taking everything off to get at them, so I turned it up, and it still gets hooked in, so when I'm traveling I got a strap that I put in because the table would move it out. So I built shelves in here when I turn that up so I can get my clothes out real easy. Built a shelf there. I have a radio I got to put in because the radio in here really does not work all that great. I did have 2 escape hatches. One of them I just framed it out with wood on the inside and screwed a piece of plexiglass onto it. The other one I made it a little bit smaller and put a Max Air fan in there. Kitchen cupboard I built. The doors I did not build. None of the doors in here I built, but the cabinets I did. So when you open up the cabinets, they actually have drawers inside of them, so I can get all the way to the back of everything. So it looks really nice. This one has 2, and then my food dehydrator down the bottom. This one has 1 crock pot, Instapot in the back, and then this one I could only put 1 in because of the sink and stuff. So. And then the bed does lift up. The bed is back here. I have some more storage above. It seems like you never have enough storage, so you're always doing storage. And here's one of my toolboxes to get into bed, but this lifts up. So, let's put that up out of the way. I have storage underneath the bed. My water tank is right there underneath, and that's a 30-gallon tank. I don't know if you can see the line of it. So that's there. And then storage, my batteries are there, all my solar. If you want to move over, you can get in there and see it. So I have a 1000-watt inverter. I have the control panels, all the center, all of the wiring, all of it I did. Watched YouTube channel and ended up doing it all myself. So
YouTube University.
YouTube University, exactly. So
a little dorm-sized fridge.
Yep, little dorm fridge. That was a necessity because I didn't have the money to spend $500 on a 12-volt fridge, which would be something I would probably switch out and get next.
Yep.
But propane stove I use in here. The countertop I got from a big box store, and it had no backsplash on it, so it worked just perfect. 6-foot counter works nice. Porta potty. Well, not really porta potty. It's set up as a composting toilet, but I just use bag method, and there is no smell in here from it, so.
Yep.
The only trick thing I have is this right here. When I did it, I made that into a little storage steep spot, but I was going to put my safe down there, but the safe didn't fit in there, so I had to put the safe someplace else. So, but yeah, I love it. Been on the road since December 13th, and I don't plan on going back. So.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.